What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the Cardfight Casual channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at PSYqualia Strife. So I've bought one box of the mini booster, and this is the first mini booster to come from Bushiroad. This set is actually majorly a reprint set with, I think it's 28 cards reprinted, something like that, and only 4 new cards for each clan, and I will point them out as we get through it. But today we're looking to open Exculpate the Blaster and see what other full art foils we can get, because one of the main attractions of this set is the what do you call it? The triggers that will be full art and possibly foiled. So we could just get any one of these sides open. So this booster box actually comes with 32 packs, and from these 32 packs, there are only 2 cards per pack. There you go. Which makes it actually a lot more fun to open because there are just so many packs. So there you can see a very, very thick stack, reminiscent of the older booster boxes, excuse me, of Vanguard, where there used to be 30 packs per box. So, sorry. And we're just gonna get into it with the first pack. There's not really much to go through. I'll go through the new cards when we get them. But first off, we have Dragon Mind Genjo. So this is an example of the full art. And there's some full art foils if you're lucky enough, and Jaron. So I'll put the 1, 2, and anything that's foil in the middle. Just put this up here. Second pack, we get Gallatin, and we have a first foil. It's not full art, but this is Dragon Monk Raksha. So that's critical trigger for Kagero. Of course, only 2 cards, 2 clans are in this set, Kagero and Royal Paladin. And we have the, I don't really know what this card is, but there is a chance for every common card to be foil, and this is one of them. I think this is Demonance Dragon, so we'll put that foil there. Flogo full art and a Bellicosity Dragon. Pretty good. I'm gonna put the full art normals there. Raksha full art, and Knight of Silence Gallatin foil as well. That's actually pretty good. I might actually run one copy of him just because I like the foil. Oh yes, and there's also gift markers, I forgot to mention, illustration gift markers from the set. So here's Nagisa, and a Rich Gem Carbuncle foil. So this is the normal foil, and I'll put the gift markers there as well. So of course this is majority aesthetic set, doesn't actually have that many new cards, so we're just looking to make everything shiny. And here we have Alfred Early, the first actual double rare foil of the box, and that is pretty good. I'm gonna put this here. All the reprints for Royal Paladin are Alfred Early, Blaster Blade, as well as Night Squire Allen. Here we have Epona, the critical trigger, and another Bellicosity Dragon. And then for Kagero, it's Overlord, Dragonic Overlord, the Embodiment of Armor Bar, and one more, Grime. So here is actually the normal, non-full art version of Grime. So this I will not. I think I'm trying to get the full art version for Grime, the foil version full art. So I will probably be trading or selling off some of these cards. Embodiment of Shield Ta, and a Wingull. So if you guys wanted to build your decks, you no longer have to build a trial deck, you can actually just buy a few boxes of this. Of course, I don't know what, you're not actually guaranteed a lot of things in this deck, but of course it'll be shiny. Here we have Mirubiru and a full art Ta, so very nice that goes here. I'm looking, of course, to get the Royal Paladin full arts, and I actually opened up a couple of packs, not a couple, a few packs earlier yesterday when it came out, Dragon Armor Knight. And I'm also looking to trade my foils for the Royal Paladin versions or sell them. We have Red Gem Carbuncle, and looks like I got Nouvelle Vague. That's kind of disappointing because I actually really wanted to get the Exculpate, but I guess I'll have to trade for Exculpate instead. So put this in the center here, and the reprint by the side. At the end of this box, of course, I'll go over everything that I got. Here we have a Ren Force Marker, and Blaster Blade reprint. So double rare foiling on the Blaster Blade. That is what it looks like. I actually kind of like the double rare foilings a lot more than the triple rare ones. So if I ever want to run that art of Blast Blade, I will get this one instead. So here's one of the new cards, Fear No. Vanguard or Rearguard active. You can actually choose to come +2, call one Rearguard to field, and both of them get 10,000 power. It's not a great card, but it is an option. Now, if you want to build a budget deck, or even though I do believe there are better options, this is another option. There we go, we got one Margle, which is actually really good. I actually want to run one copy of him, so I'm quite happy about that one Margle. And of course, this pack is kind of good for people who like opening packs like myself. We have Elaine, Full Art, and Dragon Monk Gojo. Hopefully this won't take so long. Oops. And we have Margle, and we have Nouvelle Vague's Searcher. So his effect, I can't remember his Nouvelle Critic, or I think it's Nouvelle Critic Dragon. His effect is that on Rearguard, if his attack hits a Vanguard, then you get to search your deck for one Nouvelle Vague. Elaine and Dragon Knight. Looking to get those full art Elaines. Maybe not for the whole set for my deck, but still. Another Fear No. Depending on the situation, I might try to get a full box. We have Grime here, and Full Art Genjo. So it seems very much like this is the, what do you call it? Kagero box. But this just means I just gotta go and trade. So here is Kai with a Force Marker. Some of these Force Markers are really nice, some of these are kind of weird. And another Genjo. I actually do like the Granblue ones, and we'll be adding the Granblue markers to my deck. Here's Margot, Full Art, and Guard Griffin. Oops. And here is Leon. So those of you Arc Force players might actually want this. And it seems like I'm getting all the double R's from Royal Paladin side this time, and probably a few from Kagero then. But unfortunately, all my other foils are all from Nouvelle Vague. So here's Kyo, and yep, two of my triple R's. The set, can't remember this guy's name. I think it's Nouvelle Roman. His skills on place, you can send a a Dragonic Nouvelle Vague from hand to the deck and search for one Dragonic Overlord and add that to your hand instead. It's just to help with the right consistency, because now with grade 4s they take up space in the deck. Here is the starter for Kagero and Verdius. And we have Full Art Ridgeon Carbuncle non-foil and foil Epona, so that's pretty good. I do want to run the Full Art foil versions, but I will take the normal foil versions nonetheless. So here. And Misaki Protect marker, probably going to be pretty popular. There we go. And Dragon Knight Nahalem foil. We've got just 4 more packs left. Let's see whether we can get this done. Wingo. And 3 more packs. The starter and Embodiment of Armor bar. Pretty good. Epona. This is Wyvern Strike Agurado. You can retire 2, I think, if you can't blast 2. And last of all, we have Runoria, the perfect card. So here's a quick overview of what foils I got so far. For the foiled normal triggers, I got Epona, Grime, or rather the foiled commons, Ridgeon Carbuncle, and Raksha. As well as, I do believe I had something else here. Well, I did get Dominance Dragon and Knight of Silence Gallatin. So there's that. And then, for my double R's in the box, I did get Embodiment of Armor bar, Dragon Knight Nahalem, Night Squire Ellen, which I do appreciate because I do want to run 2 copies of Ellen at least, Blast the Blade, and the King of Knights, or not the King of Knights, but the Alfred Early. So, not bad. For my triggers, I actually did end up getting more Kagero than Royal Paladin, but I can always trade these off for Royal Paladin stuff or sell them. I got Margle, Ta, and Genjo. And for my triples, I got 2 Nouvelle cards and 1 Nouvelle Vague. I don't know whether I was supposed to get a 3rd triple in this box, but unfortunately I did not. So, yep, that's pretty much the box opening. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you leave a like if you like this video, and as always, if you like what you see here and you want to see more, click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of the updates. And before we go, let me just run through the force markers and the full art commons that you get, so you can see what kind of things you can expect if you get this set. So just going through the markers first, we have Nagisa, Ren, Misaki, Kyo, Kai, and Leon. And for the triggers, we got Margot, we got Grime, not the full art version, we've got Elaine, Ta, Epona, Raksha, Genjo, Flogel, the Jim Carbuncle, and Grime, and another Margot. I think I'm just going around, yep. So it looks like it's just one of each, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, but this is actually a really good set if you just want to open pack by pack and see what you get, because the full out foil triggers are really nice, and they're worth quite a bit as well. So, until next time guys, have fun, and remember, it's okay to play casual.